Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. I'm excited to show you my next design team package that I received recently from Country Craft Creations featuring Echo Park's family collection. This is going to make a great album, a family album. I know some of you have asked for a tutorial using this paper collection, and so I will be working on this really soon. So stay tuned so I can go through everything that I received so that you can check it out on the Country Craft Creations store website. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is move aside some of the elements, and I'll go over those with you in just a bit. Move them out of the way. I took them out of the plastic so that there wouldn't be a big glare. Let me move this out of the way. And I want to go over the paper with you first that I received. So this is the collection. I got 2 sheets of each print. This one here, the first one is We Are Family Floral. It's a beautiful floral, kind of a green background with the kind of gold color. So that's really pretty there. Then I have Together Stems. Now you can probably get this in a collection pack. I did get the individual sheets. So this is a nice black background with the gold flowers. Okay, next one is Sweet Memories. This is a beautiful title type page. If you were going to do a 12 by 12 layout, of course, I'm going to be doing an album, so I'll be doing something a little different. Then we have our multi-journaling cards. These are nice sizes, little tags, some banner type sayings down here, and it's really pretty green. I love this one with the pink Good Times bunches. Beautiful, beautiful flower patterns here. Grow Together. This is kind of a greenish, dark green color with kind of a cobblestone look to it, and then the floral. Family Floral. Beyond Blessed Frames. That's really, really pretty. Of course, love butterflies. So we have beautiful butterflies. Can't pick that one up. Stuck together, beautiful butterflies. Then with Echo Park, you get your cut aparts, but you also have the background to use on the back side. 4x6 journaling cards. This is a beige kind of little squares, check type squares. I don't know if you can see that in the camera. This one's your 3x4. And then I got the solids that coordinate. So I got the dark green and rust. Then I got the mauve and green. And finally, the yellow and pink. It's kind of a odd looking pink. It's more of kind of an orangey color, I think. Then, of course, with this collection, I got the stickers sheet, which has some banners, some butterflies, different sayings, beautiful floral pieces, some border strips down here, family. So I'll be great in making, decorating up the album and doing the cover. In addition to that, I also got the 2 of the very heavyweight chipboard, which I'll be using for my covers. With this collection, I'll either be using the craft or possibly the natural linen color, the lighter color. So then let's go over the other items I got. So this is something different. This is the Tim Holtz accordion folio. And it's already it's a pre-made thing, but this is not going to be my main project, of course. This is just a little bonus type thing. So I'll either use the leftover scraps from my collection after my album to finish this one up, or if I have to pull out another collection that I've received or purchased from Country Craft Creations, I'll do that. But this may be something, if you don't use the heavy bow or the tie here, I didn't want to untie it. That's what I'm sliding it on. Could be an insert into the album. So that's an idea that I might do for that. Then we got the chipboard accents. I love chipboard accents. They're great to give some dimension to your project. We are family. The love of a family is life's greatest blessing. A story to be told. So this is a great decorative piece to add to your collection. And then we have the ephemera pieces. This is 34 die-cut cardstock pieces. Let me get a tray here to kind of put these in. So you have all sorts of little tags with sayings, picture perfect moments, my family. These are the banners, perfect moments. So I'm just kind of sorting here as I go. Family, more family, little journaling things, sayings, family traditions, home sweet home. It's a nice circle with some floral on it. Some other pieces. I love the circles with the butterflies. Good days. Thank you. This is a bigger one. Family. Some people come and go in our lives, but family is forever. So I like that one. Story to be told. This one should probably go over here. Little frame. Together we make family. And this just says together. Lots of options here. Family that plays together stays together. There's another frame. Memories, a time to be remembered. Our family is the key to happiness. Couldn't read key there for a minute. Family memories, another frame, and a little tiny family and a little flower. So that is the ephemera pack, 34 die cuts. So you can order that. And then this is the titles and phrases. You get a lot in this. This is 32 die cut cardstock pieces. I'm just going to mix them together. We are family. We are family. Hugs and blessings. Another thanks. So these are great for cards as well. And they built a life they loved. Yesterday's stories, today's treasures. Thinking of you always. That's a good one for a card. Together forever. This is our happy place. Memories. Memories. Beyond blessed. It starts and ends with family. You are my greatest blessing. Some of these bigger ones I'm going to put in this other tray down here. That way I don't have to dig as much. Blessed. A beautiful life. I love these banners. We are family. We are family in the green. Our traditions. We are family. It's the rectangle. Oh, it's on a banner piece. That's cute. Together. Family, thanks. Another great card one. Little banner pieces here. Some little circles with flowers in them. And this is a beautiful life we built. So that is the titles and phrases. So you could go with just one or both, whichever you want. So these are ready to go. And that is my design team haul for this time. Oh, the ribbon. Don't forget the ribbon. We have the beautiful checked brown and white check. So that's great. And then I have the really pretty, I love seam binding. So this is the off-white ivory seam binding that you can pick up at Country Craft Creations. And then I love to use twine. So this is kind of like a green, perfect match for this paper collection, green. So that definitely is my design team haul. I have just finished up a bonus project I was working. It was not a design team package, but it's something I purchased from Country Craft Creations. It is the Graphic 45 Curator and Curator album. I have it here finished, so I'll be uploading this week the tutorial. I already have shared the tutorial on how to make the album, the blank album base, but I'll be sharing the rest of the tutorial this week, and my goal is to start working on this project this coming weekend, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. When you do, click the bell so you'll receive notification each time I upload a video. Give me a thumbs up, like, share with your friends. And as always, check out countrycraftcreations.com for your supplies. And I will link all these products down below so you can easily shop. I have a referral link or a discount for 10% off for you if you want to order any of this and use that code. It is Sandy Trefger 10. That's all caps SANDY TREFGER 10. Use that when you check out in your code and you get 10% off. So I appreciate you all so very much. Have a great week and I'll check with you later. Bye-bye.